Big Cartel might be on your radar if you're considering starting an online store, especially if you're looking for simplicity and ease of use. But before you commit, there are a few things you need to know to make sure it's the right fit for you. Let's take a deep dive and see how it stacks up against other options. First off, Big Cartel is known for its user-friendly interface, which makes it easy for newcomers to get their store up and running. Unlike Shopify, which can be overwhelming for beginners due to its wide range of features, Big Cartel sticks to the basics. But keep in mind, this simplicity comes with limitations in terms of customization and advanced features. Next thing, Big Cartel's pricing structure is one of its biggest draws. It offers a free plan for stores with 5 products, and paid plans are fairly affordable compared to competitors like Shopify or BigCommerce. However, as your business grows, you might find the paid plans lacking in scalability, especially when compared to the more robust plans from Shopify or WooCommerce. The third thing to consider is the design options. While Big Cartel offers a selection of themes, it doesn't have the same variety or customizability as platforms like Squarespace or Shopify. If you're looking to fully brand your store with a unique design, you may feel limited here. Some competitors offer more advanced design tools, but Big Cartel is straightforward and quick for those who need a basic setup. The fourth thing to mention is payment integrations. Big Cartel supports PayPal and Stripe, which works for most people, but if you need more options, such as local payment gateways or advanced transaction features, you might find other platforms like Shopify or Wix offering a wider range of payment integrations. Next, Big Cartel's inventory management system is simple. If you're just selling a few products, it works great. But as your product range expands, you might find the lack of advanced inventory tools a bit restrictive. Compared to Shopify, which offers detailed inventory tracking, Big Cartel might not be the best option for larger stores. Now, Big Cartel doesn't have a built-in dropshipping feature, so if you're specifically looking for dropshipping capabilities, it may not be the best fit for you. Platforms like Shopify or Oberlo are more dedicated to dropshipping and provide tools to easily source and manage products. If you want dropshipping with Big Cartel, you'll need to rely on third-party apps or integrations, which adds complexity. The seventh thing is Big Cartel's SEO tools. While it does offer some basic SEO features, it doesn't go as in-depth as competitors like Shopify or WooCommerce. If SEO is a major focus for your business, you might need to use external tools to get the results you're looking for. Next, Big Cartel's mobile experience is fairly solid. The platform is responsive, and they have a mobile app for managing your store on the go. But once again, it's not as feature-packed as Shopify's app, which offers more detailed options for managing your inventory, sales, and customer relations. Moving on, Big Cartel offers a limited number of integrations compared to Shopify or BigCommerce. If you need third-party tools for marketing, shipping, or analytics, you may find yourself looking for workarounds or relying on third-party services. The 10th thing is the customer support. Big Cartel's support is decent, but it's not as comprehensive as the 24/7 support that Shopify offers. You get email support and a knowledge base, but if you need immediate assistance, you might be waiting a bit longer than with bigger platforms. The 11th thing is that Big Cartel is built for smaller stores. It's not ideal for businesses looking to scale quickly or for large enterprises with complex needs. While it can work well for side projects or hobby shops, you might want to consider a platform like Shopify or BigCommerce if you plan to expand significantly. Finally, Big Cartel is a good option for those looking for simplicity and low cost. It's particularly suited for small businesses or creators who want a simple online store without all the bells and whistles. However, if you're looking for advanced features and greater scalability, you might want to explore other platforms that offer more flexibility. Overall, Big Cartel can be a great choice for smaller stores or businesses on a budget. But if you're looking for a more powerful solution that can grow with your business, check out our recommended platform that you can try for free.